Are your struts bad? Well, here are some common signs you will see if that is the case. Is your car nosediving when braking? Do you have uneven tire wear? Is there vibration in your steering wheel? Is there like a clicking or popping noise coming from your car? That hurt my side. When you're turning a corner, does it feel like your car is rolling to one side?
If you answered yes to any of those, the problem may be in your struts. So let's dive into how to replace one.
Let me strut my stuff on over here and we'll tell you all about it.
This is a strut. The bearing at the very top is bad in this one. That's why it's popping. That's why we're replacing it. Every year, make and model is going to be a little different, but removing a strut for the most part is somewhat the same. It's kind of the similar steps. Get your wheel off. Get anything off attached to it, brake line, ABS.
Which way is it? Righty, tighty, lefty? It's not all the way to focal with you.
Ow! Ooh. Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, I bet.
Woo! That freaking hurt. There's my skin.
Ew!
Okay. I think they could have figured out a different way to do this. Know what I'm saying? On this car, to get this sway bar link off, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to compress the strut to be able to relieve it. You do that very carefully using a floor jack. Just lift it up until you can just push it out like that. And then slowly release it. Floor jack out of the way.
Best dad bod is right, baby.
It's alright. Okay, get your bottom bolts out, whatever your car has. This one's kind of a pain in the butt. You gotta wedge a chisel in between here. Remove the lower ball joint. Should give us enough room to pull her out. Now that we got our lower ball joint popped out, our tie rods popped out, hopefully there's enough space without taking out the axle. This car's got three 13 millimeters holding the top on. And Terry's gonna get those off.
Are these hell long?
I don't remember.
I'm thinking, yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh shit, did you go too far up?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh, you can't move it the other direction. Oh my god.
Shit. Wasn't paying attention. This is how you get it off.
Oh my lord.
Okay. Didn't I say at the beginning of this video this isn't going to be that bad?
I think we always say something like that.
Yeah, and it sucks being in the dirt, the dungeon. The Volkswagen's taking up the dungeon. Not how I want you to come out, but I'll take it. And that is how you remove a strut on a Focus. Is it the right way? Don't know, but it came out.
I would say probably not the right way, though.
I think it is. Okay, junk. Another thing I forgot to mention, another sign of a bad strut is fluid leaking out of the shock. You'll have fluid and that'll make the car bouncy, roll over, stuff like that. These Focuses are a pain in the butt to work on. Okay, now just reverse the process to get it back in.
Easy peasy.
Oh, on these Focuses, there's a tab right here that goes into here, so you know you're in there straight. Up. Come on. Oh, brake line's getting tugged on.
So bad, oh my god.
It's got a little bit of play. It'll be alright. You're gonna have to come over here and push on that control arm. More.
Okay. Now you're smushing me.
Just enough. It's always easier with a Motormate. The kit comes with new hardware. I don't like it. I like the factory. So we're gonna put the factory back in. Nothing's ever a 5-minute job.
Oh, the sound was good.
Ever. Huh. When you're going back together, these components are extremely crucial, and you want to make sure to torque them to whatever the factory specs are for your vehicle. Your tie rods, your ball joints, the strut bolts up top, these little guys, and tighten them. I don't mess around when it comes to front end parts. I do everything by the book, but I will use power tools just to run them up. Nope, not to smoke on them, but just to get them to the point where they're ready to torque. We can come back in with our jack now, just so we can get our sway bar link back in. Okay. These you want to tighten while it's not under pressure. Just get it on there, and then release the jack. That's how I do it. Doesn't mean I'm right or wrong. All right, moment of truth. Did our repair fix the noise? We're not about opinions, but I got those last struts off of carparts.com. Never again.
Carparts.com.
Actually. Yeah, at least it's not. See?
Yeah, it sounds much better. Well, that's gonna do it for us. The car is good to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.